They are very light on the skin, they are not heavy on the skin. Bad news about it is that you cannot use it for a very long period of time. It's just for a short period of. You want to use the appearance of your pesky stretch marks, like this oil is perfect for you. Looking for an oil that will help to fade in your stretch marks. You just need that oil that will just clear your hyperpigmentation or scar from surgery. Then this oil is Melanie Queens. This is perfect for you. It contains cocoa butter and shea butter. Like guys, I cannot really overemphasize on this oil because it helps to lock in moisture. Oil contains jojoba oil and oat oil, and trust me, these are good hydrators for you. First time of trying a body oil or you're just skeptical about it, this one is actually perfect because it does not contain paraben, that it is free from preservatives.
Tell me what you see in me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl here, Mama K. As always, you're welcome back to another exciting video. If this is your first time here, you're most welcome. My name is Blessing, and hey, welcome to Mom and K. Here we talk lots and lots of things. Please do it by smashing that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we post a video. And to you, my return subscribers, you guys know now, thank you guys so much. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. This girl is grateful. So guys, just like the title of this video, I'll be talking about body oil. So do you have a dry skin or an extremely dry skin and you need a body oil to incorporate into your lotion or your cream? Guys, this video is for you. Actually, this is a requested video. I got it here on YouTube, and yes, I'm excited to talk about this because it has been a long time coming. So guys, grab your popcorn, grab anything, your water, your wine. Let's dive right into this video, guys.
Take a bounce. Fame, money, power, I desire large amounts. It takes sacrifice to get on the crown. Love made easy, like rolling dice.
So guys, I'll be talking about my 4 best oils. Like guys, I've used some and I've researched on some, and I can tell you that they are so good. They are for all skin types. They are very light on the skin, they are not heavy on the skin. So guys, we'll be starting with the number one. The number one on our list here is the bio oil body oil. Like guys, trust me, this one is the Obunge oil. Like if I tell you the Obunge, like I really mean it, because this oil is actually very good. Like if you want to reduce the appearance of your pesky stretch marks, like this oil is perfect for you. Stretch mark occurs when your skin is dry and there's no much moisture on your skin. That is when your skin stretches and then the marks occurs there. Also, it helps to repair the scar that you get from surgery. So yeah, if you just get a scar from surgery and you just want to fade it in, then this oil is for you. And another good thing about it, it also helps to fade hyperpigmentation scar. It contains vitamin E, and what it does, it helps to to smooth the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin. If you are looking for an oil that will help to fade in your stretch marks, you just need that oil that will just clear your hyperpigmentation or scar from surgery. Then this oil is for you. So yes guys, that is it for our number one. And for our number two, I'll be talking about the Aveeno moisturizing dry body mist. Like guys, this oil contains jojoba oil and oat oil, and trust me, these are good hydrators for the skin. Do you have a very dry skin, like an extremely dry skin, and you just need the oil that will hydrate your skin? Then trust me, Aveeno moisturizing dry body mist, it is perfect for you. Guys, I cannot really overemphasize on this oil. And yes, the good thing about it is paraben free. What it means by paraben free is that it does not contain harsh chemicals in it. Most of these skincare products, they tend to add some preservatives to it just to make it to last for a very long period of time. But one good thing about this Aveeno dry moisturizing body mist is that it does not contain paraben, that it is free from preservatives. Bad news about it is that You cannot use it for a very long period of time. It's just for a short period of time. So guys, this Aveeno, it is very good for a dry skin, for a sensitive skin. Yeah, it's going to hydrate your skin. It is not heavy on the skin. It is very light. It is going to lock in moisture, yeah, in your skin. So guys, if you want to go for a good oil, you can actually consider Aveeno dry moisturizing body oil. And the next one, the Vaseline intensive care cocoa. Like guys, trust me, this one, it is one of the best. Like if this is your first time of trying a body oil, or you're just skeptical about it, this one is actually perfect for you because it is very light on the skin. You know, it is good for dry and sensitive skin. For the melanin queens, this is perfect for you. It contains cocoa butter and shea butter. Like guys, I cannot really overemphasize on this oil because it helps to lock in moisture. Like if you have that very dry skin and then you are looking for an oil that will lock in moisture, that will hydrate your skin, then guys, trust me, this is perfect for you. And the next and last one, I'll be talking about the Neutrogena body oil. Like guys, this one is actually, you know, one of the best when it comes to dry skin. So if you have dry skin, extremely dry skin, sensitive skin, this is perfect for you because it helps to lock in moisture into your skin. It helps to, you know, hydrate the skin, makes your skin feel smooth and soft. And guys, trust me, it is not heavy on the skin. It is very light. You will not want an oil that once you just finish you know, applying it on your skin, it will be very greasy. Guys, trust me, it absorbs fast. It is very light. You can actually use it you know, from the bathroom after you finish taking your shower. You can just use it there, or you can actually add it to your body cream or lotion. And guys, trust me, you will love your skin because it is going to, you know, lock in the moisture fast. So guys, go for any of this oil and trust me, you will love it. They are very good for all skin types, whether you have a sensitive skin, you know, you have a dry skin, extremely dry skin. It is perfect for you guys. Like, and they are not very expensive. They are not that pricey in the market. You can actually get them from Amazon. You can get it from Target, from Walmart, and any supermarket actually close to you. You can actually go for any of it, and guys, trust me, you will come back to come and say thank you. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you are still watching me, you haven't clicked that subscribe button, please smash that subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload any video. Guys, drop your lovely comment and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.
Yeah.